हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल यूपीएससी डिलीजेंट। हमने पार्ट 1 में 7 एमसीक्यूज किए थे विथ उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया था। मैंने इसमें कोशिश किया थोड़ा शॉर्ट करने का। लेट्स बिगिन पार्ट 2 इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग marine heat waves. First, it is defined when sea water temperature exceed a seasonally varying threshold for at least 5 consecutive days. Second, successive heat waves with gaps of 2 days are not considered part of the same event. Third, marine heat waves occur when sea water temperatures are extremely warm for an extended period of time. Please stop the video for a bit and try to answer this. See the explanation now. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. The successive heat waves with gaps of 2 or less are considered part of the same event, not another event. Statement 2 is wrong here. Question number 9. One planet summit was organized by which of the following? France, UN, World Bank. France, UNESCAP, EU. UNESCAP, EU, World Bank. UN, EU, World Bank. Answer is A. France, UN and World Bank. It was fourth One Planet Summit. पहला हुआ था 2017 में. It focuses on biodiversity to mobilize commitments to protect ecosystems and make links to human health. The theme था Let's Act Together for Nature. And the summit will bring together heads of states and governments, leaders of international organizations, financial institutions, companies and NGOs, all ready to demonstrate that their commitments are leading to concrete actions to preserve and restore biodiversity and to lead systemic transformation of economies. Okay. Question number 10. Consider the following statements regarding National Non-Communicable Disease Monitoring Survey. अभी हाल ही में हुआ था, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ ने ये किया था, रिलीज किया है इसका रिपोर्ट. ओके. Statement 1. NNMS was conducted during the period of 2017 to 18. It covered the age groups of 15 to 69 years, males and females residing urban and rural areas of the country. इसके दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है, करेक्ट है. सी बोथ 1 and 2. The survey covered a national sample of 600 primary sampling units from 348 districts in 28 states in collaboration with 11 reputed institutions across the country. 1 in every 3 adults and more than 1/4 proportions of men used any form of tobacco and consumed alcohol in past 12 months respectively. Average daily intake of salt was 8 grams. More than 2 in 5 adults and 1 in 4 adolescents were doing insufficient physical activity. More than 1 in every 4 adults and 6.2% adolescents were overweight or obese. Almost 3 out of 10 adults had raised blood pressure and 9.3% had raised blood glucose. And 2 in 5 adults had 3 or more risk factors for NCDs. आप इस वीडियो को थोड़ा देर पॉज करके ये जो डेटा है इसको याद कर लें, मेमोराइज करने की कोशिश करें, because this will really help a lot in mains. Question number 11. Great Green Wall Initiative was in the news recently. It is the initiative of which of the following? Option as European Union, African Union, UNEP, Alpha Union. इसका आंसर बी होगा, अफ्रीकन यूनियन. ये इनिशिएटिव 2007 में शुरू किया गया था to combat desertification drought in Africa. The Great Green Wall Initiative is an African-led movement with an epic ambition to grow an 8,000-kilometer natural wonder of the world across the entire width of Africa. It was started in 2007 by the African Union to combat desertification, land degradation, and drought. The project aims to restore 100 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. It recently received 14 billion USD funds at the recent One Planet Summit for Biodiversity. इसलिए ये न्यूज में था. और वन प्लानेट समिट हमने थोड़ी देर पहले ही कवर किया था. was organized by UN, World Bank and EU. Right? Here, question number 9. So, question number 12. कोनिया प्लेन्स, ये भी न्यूज में था कुछ दिन पहले. So, stop the slide and try to answer it. In which of the following countries the Konya plains are located? Options are Jordan, Turkey, Israel and Kazakhstan. इसका आंसर टर्की होगा. The Konya Plains located in Turkey received 38% less rainfall in 2020 as compared to 2019. It has lowest root zone moisture in area in the world. The wetness percentile of root zone moisture in Western India. It was between 18%, 80% and 98%. In Eastern India, it was 30% to 70%, and in Northern India, it was less than 10%. And surface soil moisture along the coast of Western Ghats was above 95%, and in the rest of the country, less than 30%. Moving forward, next question, question 13. Consider the following statements regarding soil moisture. Root zone soil moisture is the water that is in the upper 10 centimeter of soil, and surface soil moisture is the water that is available to plants, generally considered to be in the upper 200 centimeter of soil. Actually, these statements are interchanging, इनको बस बदल लिया गया है. इसका आंसर डी होगा, neither 1 or 2. Second statement is definition of root zone soil moisture, and the first is definition of surface soil moisture. इसका एक रिपोर्ट रिलीज किया था नासा ने कुछ दिन पहले, उसके बेसिस ये क्वेश्चन था, जनवरी में ही किया था रिलीज नासा ने. Okay, so answer D. Both the statements are interchanged. Question number 14. Recently, Alpha Global Union was in news. It is an initiative of which of the following? Option A, United Nations Initiative to Tackle Plastic Waste. Option B, EU Initiative for Sustainable Use of Environment. Option C, Google Workers. And option D, IUCN Initiative to Keep Track on Illegal Animal Trade. इसका आंसर सी होगा. It is an initiative of Google Workers. Okay, the Alpha Global, named in recognition of Google's parent company Alphabet, was formed in coordination with UNI Global Union, the global union federation that brings together 20 million workers from multiple sectors in the service economy, including those in the information, communications, and technology and services. The alliance includes unions from 10 countries, including Germany, Switzerland, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. So, आगे बढ़ा जाए. Question 15. Global Climate Risk Index is released by German Watch, UNEP, Oxfam, OECD. इसका आंसर में क्या सबको पता होगा, German Watch. Okay. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding Global Climate Risk Index 2021. The countries and territories affected most in 2019 were Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and India. Second is less developed countries are generally more affected than the industrialized countries. इसका आंसर बी होगा, 2 only. ये यहाँ पे इंडिया नहीं होगा स्टेटमेंट 1 में, यहाँ बहामास होगा. ओके, एक्सप्लेनेशन में देखिए. The countries and territories affected most in 2019 were Mozambique, Zimbabwe, as well as the Bahamas. For the period from 2000 to 2019, Puerto Rico, Myanmar, and Haiti ranked highest. ये बस 2019 के लिए था, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड थे मोजाम्बिक, जिम्बाब्वे एंड बहामा. एंड फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ 2019, Puerto Rico, Myanmar, and Haiti are the most affected. And plus, the Global Climate Risk Index 2021, it analyzes to what extent countries and regions have been affected by the impacts of weather-related loss events, human impacts, and also direct economic losses. Okay. Now, question 17. ये आकाश न्यू जनरेशन मिसाइल के बारे में है, जो अभी जनवरी में ही लॉन्च था, DRDO ने लॉन्च किया था. ओके. स्टेटमेंट 1, इट्स अ मीडियम रेंज सरफेस टू सरफेस एंटी टैंक मिसाइल. ये बहुत ही बकवास स्टेटमेंट है. दिस इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. It can intercept aerial threats. Statement 2 is correct. Okay, it is not surface to air missile. Okay, it was longer DRDO, surface to air missile, and NG, new generation missile of the Odisha coast. The missile can intercept the aerial threats, and the missile has been launched in order to boost the Indian Air Force defense system. The Akash new generation is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system. The report, titled Inequality Virus, was released by German Watch, UNEP, Oxfam, OECD. Answer is Oxfam. Yeah, answer is C. Pandemic has stalled the economy forced millions of poor Indians out of job. ये रिपोर्ट से कुछ हाईलाइट्स है बस इंडिया के लिए. इंडिया में कुछ कुछ जो हुआ था वो भी मैंने इसमें नोट कर रखा है. The richest billionaires in India have increased their wealth by 35% during lockdown. India is ranked at the sixth in the world following the US, China, Germany, Russia and France. The report calculates that India's top 100 billionaires have increased their fortunes by rupees 12.97 trillion. Such amount is enough to give around 95,000 rupees for each one of the 138 million poorest Indians. Further, 170,000 people lost their jobs every hour in the April 2020. India's large informal workforce accounts for 75% of the 122 million jobs that were lost. ये बहुत important है प्रीलिम्स के लिए भी. इसके डेटा. Question 19. Operation Sard Hawa was launched by which of the following? Option A, BSF in areas bordering Bangladesh, Indian military in Aksai Chin area, ITBP on India-China border, और BSF on Western Ghats, Western borders of Rajasthan. इसका आंसर डी होगा. BSF ने इसे लॉन्च किया था वेस्टर्न बॉर्डर राजस्थान पे. ओके, to check the instances of infiltration due to dense fog in the region. Question 20. Recently, Francisco Pizarro project was in news. It is related to. Option A is Einstein-Bosch condensate project, artificial sun project, solar power plant और largest telescope. ये एक यूरोप में हुआ था. ये स्पेन और फ्रांस ने किया है साथ में. ये सोलर पावर प्लांट है. यूरोप का लार्जेस्ट सोलर पावर प्लांट ये बनने वाला है. तो स्पेन्स लार्जेस्ट यूटिलिटी Iberdrola, I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry, and the French food giant Danone SA sealed an accord to build 590 megawatt capacity photovoltaic plant, the largest in Europe, and it will be located in western province of Cáceres. Question 21. Which of the following statements about sudden stratospheric warming is correct? Statement A. Event where the polar stratospheric temperature increases up to 50 degrees Celsius over few days. And option B is event where upper atmosphere in subtropical areas gets heated due to anthropogenic activities. C is both A and B and D is none of the above. और इसका आंसर A होगा. Event where the polar stratospheric temperature increases up to 50 degrees Celsius over the few days. ये न्यूज़ में इसलिए था क्योंकि जनवरी में बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश हुई थी विंटर में. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंटिस्ट दिस वाज ड्यू टू द सडन stratospheric warming. Okay, the warming is preceded by a slowing then reversal of the westerly winds in the stratospheric polar vortex. SIW occurs about 6 times per decade in the northern hemisphere and only about once every 20 to 30 years in southern hemisphere. The southern India received excessively heavy rainfall between January 1, 2021 and January 17, 2021. This winter rain, according to scientists, is due to sudden stratospheric warming that occurred in the Arctic region. Okay. Question 22. Risa. Risa is a traditional dress worn in which of the following region? गुजरात, नागालैंड, असम, त्रिपुरा. इसका आंसर त्रिपुरा होगा. ये त्रिपुरा के सीएम ने पहना था जनवरी में किसी फंक्शन में. रिसा. Risa is a traditional dress of Tripura. Is worn by both men and women of Tripura. Okay. Question 23. Recently, Long Ops project was in news. It is related to A. Dismantling old nuclear facilities. Subsidiary of China's Chang'e 5. Building future projects using nuclear technology and solar technology. ये एक्चुअली जापान की इनिशिएटिव है. तो जो ओल्ड न्यूक्लियर फैसिलिटीज है लाइक फुकुशिमा, जो अर्थक्वेक से आपको थोड़ा सा जिनको नुकसान पहुंचा है या टूट चुके हैं उनको डिसमेंटल करने के लिए. ओके. इट्स कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन यूके एंड जापान. Scientists from Japan and UK will develop new and safe technologies to dismantle old nuclear facilities such as the Fukushima that were severely damaged by tsunamis and earthquakes. And the project is to use long-reach robotic arms and hence is called Long Ops project. Okay, so this will be all for today. अगली वीडियो में आई विल ट्राई टू कवर अराउंड वी हैव 23 क्वेश्चन एंड 50 क्वेश्चन, अप टू 50 क्वेश्चन। अगले हम लोग 50 क्वेश्चन और करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। सो थैंक यू एंड प्लीज फ्रेंड्स डू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। This is Kavi Singh, and you can contact me here at is.enormous7@gmail.com if you want all these PPTs or any other queries you are having. Okay, so thank you and good day.